Hey, friends, today we're going to draw a tooth fairy.
Yeah, getting a tooth.
Yeah.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end, but we're not going to show you the inside because,
okay.
well, they've already seen it in the thumbnail, but we added extra things too. Well, they probably saw that too. Anyways, for this lesson, you need markers to draw and color with, but you could also use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even crayons.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's put our marker off to the side, and we're going to fold our paper in half. We'll take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and then crease it down. Then let's take the top flap, and let's fold that one back up to the top. Then we can turn our paper over and repeat that. We can take the top flap, line it up with the top edge, and crease it down. Oops, sorry. This is just a guide fold, so we can unfold it, flatten it out, and then flip it back over. And when we're done, it should open up like this.
Yes.
Now we're ready to draw, but let's put scratch paper underneath our drawing paper to protect our table because we're using markers.
Yes.
Now we're ready to draw our tooth, and also let's draw the gums too. Well, actually, we're just going to draw the top of our tooth above this fold. So let's draw two lines coming out or coming up from the fold. And this is how wide our tooth is going to be. Then we can draw a curve coming across. We'll stop there, and then I'm going to draw another curve that comes like this and then over to the other side. So it looks like the top of a tooth, kind of.
Yeah.
You could draw another tooth on each side, but let's keep it simple just like this. And that's all we're going to do for this part. So now we're going to unfold. It'll make more sense a little later, but we're going to unfold it like this and flatten out the fold so it's easier to draw on. And then we're going to draw the top tooth, or the rest of the tooth up here. We're going to draw it curving down or in on both sides. And then let's draw the roots for the tooth. This is kind of gross, but we're going to draw. I always think the bottom of a tooth is gross.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. And also, let's add a little funny face to this tooth. So I'm going to draw a smile right here, and it's all below the fold. And I'm going to draw an eye over here. You could take extra time and change the funny face any way you want. But I'm just going to draw it like this. Oh, maybe really happy. So I'm going to draw the mouth open. Our tooth has probably teeth. That's weird.
Oh, yeah.
So, all right, now let's draw the gums down here. We're going to draw above this bottom fold. So we're going to draw... Oh, I went all the way to the side, but you don't have to go that far. So right here, I'm going to draw a curve. It's kind of wobbly, but then right here where the tooth popped out, I'm going to draw coming up a little higher, and then we're going to draw the rest of the gums coming over here. Okay, now let's draw the little hole where the tooth popped out. I'm going to draw a curve going this way. This is really gross. And then we're going to draw another curve going this way. Now it looks like a hole. And we could color that in so it's
dark.
Yeah. Okay, now we need to draw our tooth fairy. Let's draw it just right below the tooth. I'm going to draw the smiley face or the funny face right here. I'm going to draw, well, let's draw it kind of crazy. I'm going to draw it like this. Then right here, let's add teeth for our tooth fairy so she's really happy when she's going crazy. So I got a teeth on top and on bottom, and then we can also color in the back of the mouth. And then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle, kind of like our teeth or tooth, funny face. Draw circles on both sides. And then let's draw the face. I'm going to draw the letter U underneath. Then we can draw an ear on both sides. And then let's draw hair. I'm going to draw a curve coming up and down. And then we're going to draw the top of her head. And if you want to, you could go behind if you feel like it's really close to the tooth. You could overlap behind it. And then I'm going to draw a little bun right here and maybe a little band keeping her hair in a bun. Yes, okay, now let's draw her body. We're going to draw 2 lines, diagonal lines coming out from her chin. And then we can draw her dress. We'll connect it. And then her legs. 2 letter U's underneath. And then let's give her shoes. And then let's draw her arms. We're going to draw really simple, just coming out to the side on both sides. And we got to give her a little magic wand.
Yep.
So let's draw a little diagonal line in her hand. And we could draw a little star, or I'm just going to draw a circle, keep it simple. Could draw a star at the end of her magic wand. But what is she missing?
Wings.
Yeah, wings. Let's start on her ear, and we'll draw it curving around and connecting to her hand. And then we'll do the same, match that same shape over here on this side. That's for the top big wing. And then we could draw a smaller wing underneath, connecting, coming out of her arm and then connecting to her dress.
Kind of look like butterfly wings.
Yeah, it looks really cute. All right, we did it. We finished drawing our tooth fairy with the tooth popping out, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match her same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little tooth. Well, we gotta show our friends the inside.
Yes.
All right, on the count of 3.
3.
1, 2.
Oh,
Oh, wait, let's try that again.
Okay.
Let's count down.
Okay.
3,
3,
2, 1.
Happy Tooth Fairy.
Yeah.
Happy Tooth Fairy.
Happy Tooth Fairy. I love how it turned out all colored in, but we also added extra things like 2 more teeth
Yeah.
and also an explosion around the Tooth Fairy.
Yep, because it popped out.
Yeah, either because the tooth popped out or because the Tooth Fairy appeared as soon as it popped out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And I also like that we colored our drawings differently.
Yes.
I have darker hair and you have lighter hair. Our friends could change the colors any way they want.
Yeah, you could even have more things, like more teeth popping out.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully it's just one at a time, though.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Tooth Fairy with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we hope you take extra time to add more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.